Welcome back to the Off-Road Camper. Guess what? We're in the Jeep. And something interesting is going on. This thing has been getting 9 miles per gallon through multiple tanks of fuel since we got it back from having the cams replaced along with the lifters and rockers. Now, every once in a while, the fuel mileage indicated on the dash, let's say average mileage, calculation that the dash does, would jump up to like 12, 14, but immediately go right back down within a few hours of driving. So this is where we're at today. And mind you, I haven't done any kind of repairs or work to this because no dealer will work on it until a check engine light comes on. Going through all the airs, I've got a bunch of things turned off or disconnected, and my seatbelt's not on. Anyway, that is the current calculated average fuel mileage right now, 15, and it said 15.1 when I pulled up and stopped. I had to run to the store, and I couldn't get the truck out. Somebody parked right behind me again in the truck, and I couldn't get it out, so I had to take the Jeep to the store. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with this, and I don't know how long it'll stay as the average mile per gallon calculated will be that, because normally it drops right back down, but it's been there all day today. Well, I shouldn't say all day. I mean, I was only gone for an hour and a half, but I did drive about, I'd say 24, 25 miles. So I'm helping my business partner plant some flowers in his yard. I usually get roped into yard work when I'm here for too long. So anyway, I'm not sure what's going on. 9 miles per gallon to 15 miles per gallon is definitely a big increase. However, the day this vehicle went in for the camshaft repair, it was running fine, was not smoking, was not consuming any oil, was not down on any power, no signs of anything wrong. It was just going tick, 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 tick. But it was getting 19.7 miles per gallon, which is normal for this vehicle in the 3 years that I've used it. So 15 is better than 9, but nowhere near what it's typically been getting. So, as always, like, subscribe, and share.